Alright guys, let's take a quick look here at BNB now. I know I've done a couple of other videos on Chronos and BGB, but I want to get into BNB as it is my favorite token or coin. I have more of this than anything I have. Now, if we take a look at this chart, yeah, we have broken market structure. We have gone under, we've made a lower low, we can say, which is bad. Now, if you want to look at this from a technical standpoint, this level, I think, yeah, this is the top of the Fibonacci here. It was never retested. And also, this got very close here. You can see if I zoom in, bring it to the middle of the screen, it never really touched it. Now, again, I always say this, these lines are not perfect. They were drawn by a human. If they were drawn by, I don't know, AI or something, maybe they would be more perfect. But anyways, that level never really got retested. Let me just zoom out so you can see this. So we actually have officially retested two levels that were untested. Now, not long ago in July, we did retest this level. We are coming back above it, and that's a good thing, but we do need to reclaim about $500 here. And then we have a daily resistance at about 507, and we have a weekly resistance up here at about $530, and we have another daily resistance up here at about $551. So, but basically, to get bullish, we have to break a lot more. We have to get really above about $600 to take out all this, area that we've been under for some time. So, I was always kind of worried about this, though. I just want to point out, I don't think I ever said anything about it, but I always worried that we would come down to retest these levels. So, anyways, guys, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin, as everybody knows, is just kind of, not doing too much except crashing. And there's a lot of panic in the market here. And, it's not good for most people. But I do want to point out that Bitcoin is basically in a large, basically bull flag. And I've drawn this bull flag actually from all the way down here at this point. And, basically that's this line here. So I drew it from down here to the top here. And if this bull flag will break to the upside, this could take us all the way to about $105,000, guys. So that's if it breaks to the upside. Now, we are barely hanging on here. We're actually not even hanging on. We're under the trend line here. So will this be a giant fake out? Will we get, in the next few hours, a candle that brings us back into this, flag, basically? Probably, yeah. It may come tomorrow, though. We may work our way back in. But, yeah, we're going to have to work our way back above 57.5 as well, and get above this Fibonacci once again. And then you have 60.2 and then 61.3, as resistances, this being a daily and this being weekly, so the weekly being stronger. So, yeah, I mean, that's all I really got to say about Bitcoin. I mean, so far, it looks like we're still in just one big holding pattern. Now, again, we did break market structure here like BNB, but, that could be just a giant fake out. Maybe I have to redraw this line a little bit too. This doesn't look so perfect, honestly. Maybe I should draw it something like this. Anyways, guys, that's what I got for you today on Bitcoin and BNB. But don't worry about BNB. There's a lot of utility for BNB. I know they've slowed down with their launch pools or whatever. But I do believe they will probably pick up in the fall and maybe the winter again. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.